Meeting in the middle, how to play. The object of this cooperative two-player game is for both players to say the same thing. Each player thinks of a random thing. On the count of 3, they each announce it simultaneously. For example, the moon and basketball. Then, on succeeding turns, the players announce another thing that is related to both things that they imagine might be in the middle of the two things. They continue this process of trying to meet in the middle from the new things said each turn until they both say the same thing. To continue the example, on the next count of 3, they might say round and circle. Then, on the next attempt, they complete the round by both successfully saying shape simultaneously. Play again and see how few of words you need to meet in the middle.